Hello, good morning, children. So, we are sad because Corona is there, Corona 3. है ना? We were enjoying school में मजा आती थी ना? Now we don't like. So, then also, whatever I'm sending you, you have to learn, you have to copy down. Story writing. Today I'll teach you story writing. Now, all of you open page 147 of your grammar. Yeah. Okay, બધા જ ખોલો ચલો. See, story writing is an art where good imagination and creative ideas are used to capture the reader's interest. Children are very fond of listening to stories too. You love to listen to stories? Yeah. Now the following points are important and will help you to write a good story. See, the plot and the main theme of the story should be good and clear. The setting of the story should be clearly indicated and the characters should be described well. You may add interesting details to the plot with your imagination and make it enjoyable. A cloud of mystery or suspense in the story always helps in holding the reader's interest. The expression of the writer should be good. Stories can be written with the help of given outlines, may be based on a moral or with the help of the opening lines. Now, developing stories from given outlines. Now, outlines will be given. These are your outlines. See, read the outlines carefully and try to understand the main plot. Use all the points and follow the order of events given in outlines. All the points should be linked and should revolve around the main plot of the story. The story should be written in simple English, preferable in the past tense, and may contain dialogue also. A proverb or an idiom may be used as the title of the story. Now here they have given us points. From these points, the story is made. So King Solomon, well known for his wisdom, his fame with the Queen of Sheba, wanted to test his power of judgment, paid a visit, presented two identical garlands of roses, that means same garlands, har of roses. One was artificial while the other was real. Asked him to identify the garland with real flowers. King Solomon ordered his attendants to open all the windows of the courtroom. Bees swarmed in from the garden and sat on the real flowers. The queen was impressed with his presence of mind. Now here this is the story. The story you will have to write in your CW notebook. All of you. And learn that for your examinations. Okay? Bye children.